Bread, pasta and potatoes belong to the starchy carbohydrates group. Which other foods do you think might belong to this group? Some that you might eat regularly are rice, noodles, breakfast cereal and porridge. These foods give us energy, which we need for everything from running around outside, to paying attention in class, to breathing. We can think of carbohydrates as the fuel that keeps our bodies running. Most of the foods in the starchy carbohydrate group are made with grains, such as wheat, oats, and corn. Potatoes are the odd one out. We put them in this group because they're very high in starch, which is a kind of carbohydrate. Cassava and yams are also in this group for the same reason. This means that when we eat potatoes, they don't count towards our 5 a day, but they will give us energy. It's a good idea to eat the whole potato, including the skin, because lots of the potato's nutrients are in or just underneath the skin. And just like it's a good idea to eat the whole potato, it's best to choose whole grain options when we eat bread, rice and pasta. Can you guess what is meant by whole grain? When we eat whole grain food, we're eating the whole grain, or in other words, the whole seed of the plant. This means that we get all of its goodness with nothing stripped away. Foods in the starchy carbohydrate group are our body's main source of energy, and so it's important to include them in our diet every day. When do you eat these foods? Perhaps you have porridge for breakfast, a sandwich made with whole grain bread at lunch, and a baked potato with your dinner. These are all part of the starchy carbohydrate group. Which ones have you eaten recently?